it's me again. My name is Janie and I'm one of the VitaKids in-house nutritionists. In the previous video, we discussed about different sources of smart carbohydrates, namely quinoa and millet, and we take a closer look to their nutrient profile. Today, we will discuss another source of smart carbohydrates, and we will be discussing steel-cut oats. If you are new to our page, please don't forget to hit the like button, and you can also follow us in Instagram. Steel-cut oats tend to have slightly fewer in calories by unit volume. It contains more fiber and lower in glycemic index as compared to the traditional rolled oats. Steel-cut oats are excellent source of protein, soluble and insoluble fiber, which is very helpful for a healthy digestive tract and smooth bowel movement. Also, it provides us with vitamins and minerals. Let's take a closer look in its nutrient profile. A cup of cooked steel-cut oats provide 202 kilocalories of energy. It contains 36.1 gram of carbohydrates, of which is 5.4 gram of fiber. It provides us 7 gram of protein containing all the essential amino acids, 3.5 gram of fats coming from omega-3 and omega-6. It contains fair amount of B vitamins and good sources of minerals like copper, iron, magnesium, sodium, and zinc, especially manganese. Manganese contributes to many bodily functions including metabolism of amino acids, cholesterol, glucose, and carbohydrates. I hope you will make steel-cut oats a part of your healthy breakfast. If you like this video, please do give us a thumbs up. If you like to try our products, you can purchase it through our WhatsApp hotlines, which is flashing into your screen right now. Get exciting deals using my promo code VKJJ10. Watch out for more videos which you can learn more about diet, nutrition, and supplementation, brought to you by my other nutritionist colleagues Ling and Janie. Until the next video, bye-bye!